Hello friends, earlier we have spoke about basic Excel functions and now we are discussing about two more functions. One is AutoSum, another is copy formula. In the first I have mentioned that the sum function is the most common and the most popular function used in the Excel. So Microsoft knows that, so they created a tool to help us to automate the use of the function, the sum function. So this is called an AutoSum function. So here let us see the AutoSum function. So before that I'll delete this. I'll delete the totals to show you how to use the AutoSum function. Go to formula and next to insert function you will have a AutoSum. The big E. It is used it is used to calculate by itself. So the main motto is to sum up the Jan month, right? So I targeted B9 and then pressed AutoSum. Here you can see it took by itself and I have to enter. The same thing I do. I targeted C9 cell, capital E, AutoSum and done. The same thing I do here, capital E, done. Yeah, I'll delete. Same here, AutoSum, enter. AutoSum, enter. But coming to the loan total, if you press E, it targets the above amount, the above values. But basically we need to target the left values. That's a like loan. So you have to target by yourself. You have to enter. The same thing you have to repeat for the next food and total. So repeat the same thing. Done. So this is the easiest way to sum the function. It is a way to sum the values. That is the AutoSum. And now we look after the copy formulas. So copy formulas. See, we'll first delete it. See, copy formula basically it copies the formula. It copies the formula. So firstly, see, I pressed E, and this is the sum formula is equal to sum open parenthesis and B5 to B8. This is the formula. So firstly, target on it. At the right side corner, you can see a light square. If you place the cursor over there, you will get a plus sign. It is known as autofill function. So you have to drag it, you have to grab and drag it to the right side, and then formula will be copied and it calculates by itself. So this is how we use AutoSum and copy formula.